Hello bloggers and WordPress developers. Welcome to this awesome video where we are going to compare two most popular WordPress hosting provider versus one most underrated WordPress hosting provider of this 2021. Now the main question is why we are comparing these hosting providers. Recently I have launched Core Web Vital optimization service, and in this optimization we need a fast server. But when we got clients and most of the websites was having like slow server response time, or we are getting error on the page insight or web dev tool that the server response time is not good. If you can increase the server response time, the site can load faster. So we tested a lot of hosting, almost every premium hosting. Like we have tested Kinsta, we have tested Liquid Wave, WP Engine, Cloudways, and then I finally choose to go with Cloudways. But wait a second. So recently I was surfing this community, WordPress community, and I saw a comment about Rocket.net that their global server response time and as well as their latency, like the trip latency is very low. And that was because of the enterprise CDN, which is integrated with Rocket.net. Now don't be confused, because WP Engine, Kinsta as well as Liquid Web, they all are come with integrated good CDN. If you pay 30 USD per month, you don't assume a server response time of 1 second on a WordPress stack which have just a Astra theme and Elementor, right? So okay, leave that. Let's move to the screen and we will check which one of them, about WP Engine, Cloudways and Rocket.net, which one is the best in these three with the same pricing and plans. Okay, so to make this hosting comparison fair, I have chosen the the same configuration and the same pricing plans from all of them. So for Rocket.net it's the basic plan, for WP Engine it's the basic plan, and for Cloudways it's the Vultr high frequency 2GB plan. Because with the 2GB plan you get Object Cache Pro, which improves a little bit your server response time and speed. With the WP Engine basic plan you get StackPath CDN integrated with their server, and with the Rocket.net they have Cloudblaze they have Cloudflare. Don't be confused, they have Cloudflare CDN with the enterprise solution, Cloudflare enterprise plan integrated on their Rocket.net server. And one more thing, to make this hosting comparison more fair, I have just cloned my fixwebvital.com website to all of the three servers, so that the image should be same, the design should be same, all the design elements should be same, and both have all of them are using WP Rocket configured with the same settings. I should mention this, they are it's configured with the same setting with the Imagify plugin. And yep, let me just show you on the dashboard, that will be more convenient. Okay, so let's move to the screen. One more thing before we start the video, if you want to read this as a post, I have already posted this on my blog, bloggertutor.com, so make sure you check the description for the link. Okay, on this tab, check this domain. It's rocket.blogtutor.com, which means this one is hosted on Rocket.net. Then this is wpe.blogtutor.com, which is hosted on WP Engine, and this website fixwebvital.com is hosted on Cloudways, but it's currently hosted on Cloudways. I will show you why I am switching it to Rocket.net. Okay, so these three are the dashboard. Let me show you the active plugins. Okay, so let's go to install plugin on the all of the sites. So okay, so here you see 15 all plugins and 14 active plugins. Here you also see the 15 all plugins and active plugins 14. The same is here. Now let me show you the front end of all of the websites. So it's the same site, so you will get the same appearance and look. Okay, so this is the website. Here is the PNG image, then this is the button. Okay, then there is also a PNG image, and yep, this is our website. This is Core Web Vital Optimization's website, and this is again the same layout, same everything, with the domain, with the different domain which is hosted on WP Engine. Now let's check the Rocket.net, and it's the same. So basically, to make it fair, we have done every possible thing that can be done. Let me show you the Cloudways, the WP Rocket setting as well, so that no one comment me that you are doing a non-fair comparison. Okay, So on the file optimization, you check this is this, and on file optimization, this is the same. Here as well, this is the same. Okay, so I think that's more than enough. Now let's move to the testing phase. So the tool which we have used are GTmetrix, then we have used fastorslow.com by Wordfence, and I have also used Pingdom, which is a great tool for testing website speeds. So as I mentioned, I have cloned my main site to all of the three hostings, and to do so, I have used another the most underrated backup plugin, which is WP Vivid. Now this is, believe me, this is the only plugin you want in your website to have incremental backups, regular backups, to have a update rollback, to have staging environment, to have a migration plugin. It comes with all the features that you need on your site. Okay, so I have a video prepared for this plugin. I am just going to upload it, so make sure to subscribe this channel and check it out. If it's already published, you will get the link in the description. So let's move ahead. So let's move to GTmetrix dashboard. So these were the tests I have done I'm almost 8 hours ago. So let me do a test again. Okay, so here is the test, doing it here, and now let's check on fast or slow, right? Because and we are using fast or slow because they test your website speed from 18 different locations. So this makes a sense, because when you have a business website or any type of website and your visitors are from global, your field data of core web vital or speed measured all across the world. Okay, it's not measured only where the server resides. So maybe you get a good hosting speed or good speed of your website inside India if your server in India, but your server is not responding that fast for the visitor from US. So that's why we have taken this step to test it with the 18 different locations. So here is the last test. We have to run it again. So let me run it again, and okay, form. Let me show you that this is hosted on the WP Engine. Okay, so let me show you it's hosted on WP Engine. For the same website, other hosting are performing well. Why yours is not good? When you ask them, they will say your website is not optimized. We have to upgrade the plan. Blah blah blah. Means they are just giving excuses that it's our mistake. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the site hosted wp.blogstudio.com. So you see, this is the WP engine and this is the site hosted. Okay, and let me show you for the rocket.net too. So here is the rocket.net. Okay, so this is the one site plan, and here is the rocket.blogstudio.com, and I think I should show you the Cloudways too, right? So check it out. We have this application here on the Cloudways. So we are using Cloudways for this domain. Okay, so now let's move to the comparison. So when you see the comparison, the actual comparison, you will find that the Cloudways and rocket.net is performing well, but WP Engine is not. And you have to stop considering WP Engine because of some great influencer that are promoting them, or WordPress developers who are promoting them. Maybe it is best for them, but for me, I don't think it is. Okay, I have tested it with 18 different locations, and I don't think it's good to have a site which performs well only on 3 to 4 different locations. Okay, we need a website which can perform well all over the globe, right? So okay, let's move ahead. So this is the performance, and check this out. This one is for WP Engine. This one is for Cloudways, and this one is for rocket.net. Now let's check the how much time it's taken to load the Cloudways site. So it taken 381 millisecond. It's almost let's say 0.4 millisecond. For the WP Engine, it's taken 1.9 second, which is a real difference. It's taking like 3x more time for the load the same site with the same structure, same amount of plugins, with the same type of optimization. It's taking this much time. Let's move to the fast or slow. So I just let me check it again for you guys because I want a fair comparison. So great, started the test, and yeah, check out the locations. They have 18 locations. They will check it from 18 different locations. So let's first of all check for the WP Engine, because I was really disappointed. I am doing this comparison because I am really disappointed with some of the hosting providers. I am also disappointed with the Kinsta. I am doing the video. I am doing another video on the Kinsta, and I am also doing the video on Vultr and Linode and DigitalOcean with a light speed. They performed good actually. So if you want to check out that video, please make sure you subscribe this channel, because whenever I will upload it, you will get the notification. Okay. So okay, this is WP Engine. So let's go to bottom. So this is US, and check the first byte in the round trip. Okay, check out this thing. Now here the first byte is slow. Here the first byte is slow, and when you check these three are from US, means the hosting is performing differently even inside a same country, right? Now let's check this Germany, which is in Europe. So this is first byte, and check out this. In Australia they are taking almost 1 second. Okay, it's not 1 second. Check out the round trip, which is great. This type of speed score is great. Now let's check out the first byte in Singapore, which is actually Asia. So Singapore 1 second, they crossed 1 second. Then in the Hong Kong, same Asia, 1 second, almost 1 second, not exactly 1 second. Then in the Brazil, they are taking like 0.6 second, and in this location Japan and Bahrain, same. So you see this 1.46 second for the first byte. Okay, 1.10 second for the first byte in WP Engine. Do you really want to consider this type of hosting? I have shown you that this is a fair comparison. And if anyone from WP Engine teams watching this video, please explain me why this is happening with me, and I will ask the same question with Kinsta team, because I am really disappointed with them too, because they just told me that it's my website which is causing the problem, and I have told you I'm a website optimizer. I know how to optimize a website. Okay, so check this. This is also not that good. Then from South Africa, 1.12 second. Now let's check out Rocket. No, let's check out Cloudways. Okay, so this is Cloudways. Let's check out the locations. Okay, first byte, and you see the first byte is not that good here. Then here it's bad. Then here it's worse. Then here it's worse. Then here bad. So well, in the Cloudways we are not using CDN, so this can be tolerated because we are just using the raw server performance. Okay, but WP Engine is using CDN. They are using CDN. They are marketing their hosting by saying that they have the premium CDN. Okay, so now let's check Rocket.net, and I have mentioned that this is the most underrated hosting of 2021. Check this first byte on every location where you want to check every location. Okay, just check it. It's not even crossing 200 millisecond. Okay, so here it's crossed 200 millisecond, but it's not, it's under 300 millisecond. Okay, so check this out. Okay, great. You can roll back the video and check the other like LCP. So you can also check the LCP is also like within 0.5 second, within 500 millisecond basically. Yeah, here it is a little higher in the Singapore, which is 6.90, and then almost inside 0.5. So that's all for this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this. And be aware from the hosting marketing, because you know people are marketing the hosting which is paying too much for their affiliates. I have told you many times that this is a fair comparison, and you have seen the results. So why I am saying that Rocket.net is the best at their pricing, because the result says this, they are best. Okay, so that's all for the video. Bye bye.